So NLP, we like to say, it's both a philosophy and it's a methodology and it's a technology. So NLP basically is looking at the question of how people do something, and in particular how their inner process works. The idea of neuro-linguistics has to do with how we think, not only in words, but in our own inner map of the world, and how that inner map of the world affects the way that we respond to the environment around us. So NLP has looked at some of the strategies of some of the, starting with great psychotherapists, but also great leaders, great teachers, great salespeople, and it puts these strategies into a specific structure that can be learnable by anybody else. So the goal of NLP is to help everybody become better, to become more empowered, so that we can learn by studying how, again, the best people in the world are able to do what they do, and how they organize that in their inner mind, their inner map of the world.